Okay, hello everyone. We would like to introduce us. Who are we? I'm Maroš from University of Žilina, leading from University of Jyväskylä. Yeah, sorry. Also, Alba from Polytechnical University of Valencia, and Daniel from University of Zagreb. So today we're gonna talk about fake X news. So it's like fake news detection. And yeah, leading, you can start. Okay. Go on.
Okay. The fake news story is always designed to attract more people, so they spread fast. And for most of the people, detect fake news is a challenge. Frankly, we think most of people use all the people use the internet with our product. But we choose educated people as our main customer group because these people always a critical thinker. They always have a decent life, and they are more willing to explore the world and find the truth. But they don't want to waste their valuable time to search more information and do analysis. And then our product come along. Okay, the core value of our product is to detect fake news, and it can tell why it may be fake. Firstly, our website will filters out fake news, and it can translate why the news may be fake. Firstly, on the one hand, our product will give some advice or method about how to recognize fake news. On the other hand, we will provide stories and information for why the news are fake. In addition to this, we can also give some recommendations based on the personal information of customers. To get more customers and keep a good relationship with them, we have several methods. Firstly, we will do market on some social media and to make more people aware of our product, and to attract more customers, we will display the latest fake news on our homepage. And when the visitors see this misleading fake news, they will feel shocked and feel the necessity of our product. And we will also provide a free trial service for the people interested. And we should also use the referral system and voting reward to get more customers. And we won't forget the most important thing is that our product should be stable and reliable. Then it's a key point to keep a good and long relationship with our customers.
Okay, well, we have seen like a lot of good solutions today. For example, with the COVID, with the workshops and things like that. But these things are kind of modern, yeah? Like COVID, like 2 years, workshops, I don't know. You can tell, but it's kind of modern. The fake news, it's like they are here for a long time, even before the Jesus was there. So, you know, if you know, the Battle of the Kadesh is like a really huge battle. It is also called like the First World War sometimes. And yeah, it was 3,000 years ago. And the main problem is that this battle was huge, but no one won. So it was a draw. But what the Egypt general did, he came back home and put drawings and drawings on the buildings and temples that he won the war. So yeah, fake news like 3,000 ago, and yeah, it will be like also, I think like until we are here, like the humanity, there will be fake news. So why do investors have to choose us? Because yeah, fake news is a really big problem. Also the companies, We can make them a lot of money through our advertisement because everyone wants to know the truth. And government, well, they should have interest to have educated people in their country. Okay. Yeah, the beginning will be really, really hard to manufacture, designing, releasing, and things like that because we will use the machine learning. So yeah, harvesting the data and making it everything working, it's like really big deal. But after that, we can publish, for example, some confirmed fake news, and also we will have a customer service. So if anyone will have some problems, they can ask us. And yeah, creating the revenue streams through the credit cards, of course. Yeah. And yeah, resources, mainly human, because we have to make a good machine learning system, and databases experts also have to do this. We have to test it, and it's really hard stuff. And for that, we need physical resources like database, servers, office, and things like that. Yeah, so I think that's all from my side, and you can continue on. There it is.
Thank you. Well, our product is an online product, so you can take a look on our website and try for free our product for just 1 month. And if you like it, then you have to subscribe and start paying, of course. And you can contact with us via email or via chat, and we can help you with any problem you have, or if you want to know anything more about a topic or a new. Then cost structure. Well, start a business is something hard and you may need so much money, so be aware that you have enough money for the beginning. In one hand, we have to think about the expenses at the beginning. We have calculated that it might be 10,000 euros because there are license and taxes you have to pay. Then there are variable costs and the most important one, the fixed costs per month. We estimate that there are 9,000 euros because in one hand we have the salary. As we are a small business, there are only the 4 of us. We have to pay the salary for each one of us. It's not so much money right now because we are starting. And then in the other hand, we have to pay bills, rent, and cloud services and software, which are like the cheapest part, the expensive part. And we are not going to invest so much money on marketing right now because, well, we don't have it, but it is a future plan. And, well, that's how it goes per month. And then once we have think about the cost, we have to think about how we can create money, how we made it. So our business is a one-side business, generate revenues only on the supply side, and how we make money, mostly from subscribers and sponsors. And as a future plan, we are thinking about advertising other people, companies, or products on our website. The main idea is a cheap product. A subscriber is going to pay only €1 per month or €10 a year. Our goal is to reach 25,000 subscribers in 3 months, and with that, we think like in that we can start making money on this way. We're going to be able to pay the sponsor and to keep going. And if in 4 months things are not going well, then it's not going to work.
Okay, so let me just show you what is important as matter. Okay, here. Let me just show you the prototype real quick. It will only be a minute. So yeah, basically the first thing you will see will be a browser extension app. So this one, So you open it on the top, right top of your Google Chrome, and just it will start loading until our servers run the algorithm and tell us the result about the web page, and it will look kind of like this. So fake news alert if it's fake, I mean uncertainty, and we have some links here for going to our website, or I don't know where the logo, it doesn't matter, but yeah, okay, this is the website. Fake X News, just some sign in and stuff about us, testimonies, customer relationship, Discord, yeah, whatever. So when you go to sign in, you get to this page, you sign up, log in, and if it's your first time, you will see this one to just choose a subscription plan. And yeah, once you get there, you will have my profile, where you will have like a table of all your yeah, scanned pages and what is a fake, real, uncertainty, and you should be able to click it and like open the analysis of it, and that will look like this when you go to the a page of an article which is analyzed for fake news. Like this is fake news, 30-90%. This will be the analysis, like the words in the red will be like the critical points, why is it fake and stuff like that, and there are some sources that can support that claim, and yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, any questions? And
yeah, so thanks for your attention, and feel free to ask. Yeah.
Well, I have to check something, and then the question is linked. Like you're providing paid service, right?
yeah.
And then how do you differ from your competition? So, for example, FIB, I found like Chrome extension which do fake news. It's open source, free. And so, how do you differ? Because they do pretty much the same as you do. So, what is the added value?
Okay, so basically what I showed you prototype is just the beta version, just the main features. But you also want to do like some education, like some facts about the news, so people can actually learn and think critically about what they read, and that's basically more like it. So we can give you that information, why is it fake, and like sources that support that claims and stuff like that.
All right, and is it going to also apply for feeds, like you're scrolling live feed on Facebook,
yeah,
on PC, and
if you will have like the source in the database, of course, like, but we cannot have like everything in our database. It's like World Wide Web, it's huge, so
eventually,
yeah,
yeah.
So
If
like,
the product grows, we can implement also that. I mean, but for the start, it's just like news and just, I don't know, but over the time, once we get more team members, like maybe 20 of us and stuff like that, some experts, surely, yeah.
Thank you.
I have a question about the machine learning process. How, on what kind of information the machine learning is going to be based on? Like, are you going to use the tone of the article, or by using natural NLP? Are you going to detect some keywords that?
yeah, we are not machine learning experts, so we don't really know like what's the best things to put inside the machine learning process. But of course, yeah. Tone, for example, it's like if you check the web, your critical thinking is, oh, it's too short. It's like, okay, 2 sentences. Okay, I don't know if I can trust this. Tone, if it's like very angry or very emotional or something like that. Also, if they have a sources, like from which page they took the information, and so on, so on. It's like there's a really huge things to check. So, yeah, if that was the answer.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome. Yes, please.
So are you targeting, is it B2C or B2B? I didn't fully get from your presentation.
B2C.
B2C.
I mean, everybody can use it. That's the point. Everybody should use it if they just wanna know the truth and not be fooled by fake news. Yeah.
And, like, the point is, like, it's mainly for the educated people, but I think like all of you can mostly detect the fake news because you can spot like the critical things in the sources. But it takes time for you. And of course, like if someone wants to be more educated about fake news and things like that, he will buy it, and we will give him some advice how to spot the fake news, and also he will save the time. So that's my main thing, I think.
Then why limit only to B2C and not also B2B? Why the limitation?
There is no limitation. They also, like the company can buy a license, for example, for 200 people or something like that to the company. Yeah. But mainly it's only on the customers.
For now.
Yeah. Maybe in the future also the government and things like that. So
there are possible multiplications in it. There are possible multiplications. Like there is a possibility of adding features, I don't know, business ideas or something to your website, right?
Yeah, of course. This is just a beta version. We will just keep growing and growing and growing until we reach the final product. But yeah, it will get better over time.
we hope so.
Yeah.
So any more questions? Maybe from online side?
Doesn't seem
No.
to be.
We didn't.
Okay, so
Okay.
thanks.
Thank you.